Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Portrait Tech, and today I have another unboxing video for you guys. And this is going to be another case that I got from Amazon. As you can see on my channel, I do a lot of unboxing videos with cases for the iPhone. So if you're in the market looking for a case, hopefully this video will help you out. Okay, and this case is made by Tendlin. So this is going to be a case, it's a wood grain with carbon fiber. It has a wood grain and carbon fiber texture combo, and it's a slim case made for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This case is gonna run you like $15 on Amazon, and I'm gonna have the link for this case in the description just in case you like it and you want to make a purchase. This is for the 13 Pro Max. They do offer this for the 13 Pro. I'm not sure if they offer it for the mini, but if they do, I'm gonna have all the links in the description for the iPhone that you have, depending on the availability of the case. I'm gonna have the links in the description, so if you have the 13 or the 13 Pro, then that link will be there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box here and we're gonna take a look at the case. So let's pop it out. There we go. Wow, beautiful case. So let's check the box here a little bit. It says protective phone case, all different languages, so let's put that aside. Professionally designed, which we know that. Let's put that as this box aside and jump into the case here. So wow, it also, this wasn't in the description, it does come with also a tempered glass screen protector. It's right here. Let's open that. This wasn't in the description that it came with this, but wow, that's a plus. This is it, and this is the one that covers the entire screen of the iPhone and just leaves the speaker out. So if I turn the phone around here and I put the screen protector here, let's line that up so you can see it covers all the way up to the speaker. So that's nice, covers it all the way up to the speaker. But for some reason I really don't like the screen protectors that goes all the way to the top. It does, I do think if it gets dirty or has something gets on the screen, then it does interfere with your selfie camera. So I'd like to leave my selfie camera out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back to the case and this unboxing. Don't want to distract you too much from that, so I'm just showing you that it's come with this as an extra free tempered glass screen protector. So that's another reason why you should consider getting this case, along with the beautiful look of this case. So let's put this aside for now. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, and again, it's made by Tendlin. I'm not familiar with the company much, but that's the company that made this case that's listed on Amazon. So I removed the interior pad here from the case, and it feels really sturdy. As you can hear, that it's kind of a hard plastic. Okay, it's not that soft, so that pretty much should offer good protection. You do have like the wood grain look with some rubbery diagonal lines going across here on the side. You have your volume up and down in the TPU look right here. At the top, it's TPU with a little shade of the wood grain showing exposed at the top here as well. It goes all the way around the side, the bottom, and you can see the logo here, Tendlin, which is the company that makes this phone. You have like a black leather look right here, texture on the back of the phone next to the camera bump. And this camera bump here, you can see that it does offer good protection because it does have a little lip that protects your camera when you put your phone down on the back. And if you knock the back of the case here, it does hear that like a hard plastic with the carbon fiber texture right here in the middle, and the wood grain going around, the wood grain pattern going all the way around the edges. Okay, you have power button here, and inside it does have some like breathing hole look but it doesn't go all the way through the case. It's just a facade. It's not really penetrated all the way through the case. It's just a look inside. And then the bottom here is TPU with your speaker grill cutout and your lightning port cutout. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful case, and this for $15 on Amazon, I think it's really worth it, guys, if you're looking for a nice looking case. So as I mentioned before, I'm gonna have this case linked in the description for the 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, and if it's available for the 13 mini, I'm gonna have it there as well. So if you're interested, you can click the link in the description and go ahead and make your purchase, and that does help me out as well, as I'm an affiliate. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the phone in the case and see what it looks like, as that's what you're here for. So let's do that. And this is what it looks like, and it does have a pretty big hump over the screen here, so you don't really have to worry about protection there. It's gonna protect your case if it goes down on the face like this. Okay, this is what it looks like from the side. This is the right side of the phone with the power button. Let's click that. Pretty clicky, nice, not bad. That's what it looks like. You have your wood grain look on the side here as well. At the bottom, you can barely see the wood grain on the side. You can see it here as a bottom side right here. And you have your volume rockers. They're pretty easy to press. Access to the silent switch, pretty much open and nice. Okay, and that's the top of the phone there, and you can see slightly the wood grain here from the top as well. Okay, and that's what it looks like from the back with the carbon fiber look and everything. Beautiful. It's a beautiful case, and it's, again, this is $15 on Amazon. So if you're interested in purchasing this case, as I said throughout this video, the link is gonna be there, so don't worry about it. So let's take a look around. It's like a 360. So this is a look from the back. That's how it looks from the back right here, the back of the phone. Let's take a good look. Okay, that's it from the right side, and that's the top there. Okay, that's the left side, and that's how it looks from the bottom. And the face, you're gonna have protection with these lips going around here. Okay, and also you're gonna have protection for your cameras in the back here with this little lip right here. So if you put your phone down like this, your cameras are protected. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the Tendlin slim fit case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this case, I'm gonna have the links for all the iPhone 13 Pro 13 models if they're available. So just click the link in the description to make your purchases. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, turn your notification bell on for my next unboxing. Thank you for watching again. Peace.